The analysts, Professor Richard Idubo and Professor Ben Osadolo, who kicked against scrapping the Youth Empowerment Scheme, said such move will bring untold hardship to those affected. They pointed out that scrapping the scheme is not the answer, but finding solutions to absorb the staff, irrespective of what have occasioned the reason to scrap the scheme.
I am going to ask that Adams Oshiomhole should do everything possible to make definite statement that may ameliorate the problem and follow the statement by having to accommodate such of the number of persons that it could possibly accommodate.
What government should have done was to carefully look at the scheme, control and monitor those who are doing their jobs, interview them, and give them normal tenure appointments. In which case, the commission, the State Service Commission, will do all of this for the governor or for the government and ensure that the best among those ones that they have employed, given this scheme to, can be absorbed into the civil service.
On the backlog of salaries owed local government workers in the state, the guest described the situation as unfortunate. The inability of Edo State chapter of PDP to resolve the issue of nominating a minority leader was also discussed. The panelists also discussed other national issues such as the National Assembly leadership problem, America's interest to help Nigeria fight Boko Haram insurgency, and what might be their intention, among other issues. Viewers and listeners also contributed to the program through phone calls.
The way they will be elected deputy speaker of the Senate from the passengers regime, such a thing has never happened for opposition party to be deputy speaker.
Right, they're already there.
In PDP administration. So for me, I'm against the deputy Senate. It was very satisfying to add few things to what this Professor Dubo should not say, to prove his anger and sort of a grudge against the government. He's angry with the government, not to the consumption of the job. Just what I have to say this morning.
Thank you.
Politics Today is an audience participation program aired simultaneously on ITV Radio every Saturday from 10:30 to 11:30 in the morning. Efosa Wangwe reporting.